Hello and welcome back to a satisfying unboxing video of the AirPods Max. Oh, we got a slight dent. Very soft and nice feeling case on the inside. Feels very premium actually. Feels pretty nice, I think. Now yes, it's the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen and just really weird and crazy, but it feels very nice, just like an iPad smart cover case actually. So we got these foam cups. Oh, you can see my sweaty hands already on them. Metal hitting metal. Very smooth touch metal. Very nice, soft, cushy ear cups. Almost no sound with the little thing that goes, the little rod thing that goes up and down. You can see the right and left on the inside ear cups. And you can easily pop off them as well. At least they have it, I guess. That's nice. And it's weird to me that I can just touch these drivers, and if you see on the inside, it actually says designed by Apple in California, yada yada yada, and has your model numbers and everything in there. And then this band. Feels very cushy and soft. This soft touch plastic up here and all around the frame. Wow, this is a very sturdy frame. Very sturdy indeed feeling. Doesn't feel that fragile at all. Now this mesh band in the middle. Ooh, you could easily take a pencil to this, a sharp object, and boom, cut straight through this. I actually think your fingernail, if it's sharp enough, might be able to puncture this hole, so be careful with that. Now we have the lightning port on the bottom with a tiny LED light that I hope never shows when you're wearing these, because that would be extremely annoying. And then you get some microphones and stuff around the sides. Very clean look. Big button, big, nice and smooth volume knob, just like on the Apple Watch, which is nice. Very nice feeling indeed. They don't turn more than this much this way, but they will fold out flat this way. It's also interesting to note that, if you look closely, there's a band going across here. Almost indistinguishable band from the ear cup. You can just barely feel maybe a ridge there. There's not on the other side, but there is there on that side. So that's interesting. I don't hear a lot of reviewers talk about that, but it's there and on it. Alright, let's put it in the case. It's not too bad. Interesting, got the lightning cut out there at the bottom, and then if I wanted to take them out and play with them, pretty easy. Put them back in. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. That's pretty easy, and I've never used these before. Nice. And then in the box, some paperwork, stickers, No? Maybe? I can't see any. And then the Lightning to USB Type-C. Nice. And that concludes our unboxing video of the AirPods Max. If you're still watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and feel free to comment your thoughts and feelings about these. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.